You've seen those viral fridge cleaning videos where people pull out every single item like a game of Jenga and suddenly have a sparkling Instagram worthy fridge, and you thought, yeah, right. I'm going to throw out my $12 artisanal pickles just to wipe a shelf. Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because today I'm going to teach you how to clean your fridge without emptying it. That's right, keep your food, keep your sanity, and still win the eternal war against sticky shelves and mysterious ketchup puddles. Step 1. The prep that feels like a heist. First, this is not a light task. This is Operation Fridge Rescue, and you need the right strategy. Step 1. Grab your cleaning solution. Something strong, safe for food surfaces, and smells like victory, not gym socks. Step 2. Prepare your blocking zones. Think Tetris meets reality. Identify which shelves are already collapsing under the weight of that leftover takeout, expired yogurt, and 3-year-old hot sauce collection. These zones are your tactical focus. You are not moving the entire fridge contents. You are relocating like a stealthy ninja. Step 2. Create a food bubble. Next, form what I like to call a food bubble. Don't panic, this is just a fancy term for strategically grouping items on a single shelf while you clean around them. Top shelf condiments, move them together. Leftover lasagna, bubble them with other fragile containers. Remember, gravity is your enemy. You're basically building edible fortresses that must survive the cleaning operation. Pro tip: when in doubt, stack like a Jenga master. This is high stakes Tetris, people. Step 3. Attack the grime, not the food. Now here's where most people mess up. They think cleaning equals chaos. Wrong. You are a fridge surgeon. Spray, wipe, finesse. Hit the corners, edges, and notorious shelf drip zones where soda bottles have silently betrayed you for months. The key here is small targeted movements. Think ninja, not demolition crew. And yes, you can clean the shelf right under your 3 open jars of pickles without them rolling into a sticky abyss. Science. Step 4. Conquer the drawer disaster. Drawers are like little Bermuda triangles of vegetables. Lettuce goes in, never comes out. Carrots disappear into some black hole of condensation. Here's the trick: lift gently, tilt slightly, and do a quick swipe underneath. You don't need to remove everything. Bonus points if you whisper motivational phrases to your produce. You shall not rot. Because let's face it, cleaning a fridge is basically therapy for you and your vegetables. Step 5. The final touch that feels magical. Finally, step back and admire your work. Sort of. Wipe down the doors, handles, and those sneaky shelf edges that think you'll never notice them. Then slide your bubbles back into place like a mastermind. Marvel at the fact that your fridge is cleaner, your food is intact, and somehow no jars were sacrificed in the making of this video. High five yourself. You earned it. And yes, it smells better than the forgotten Tupperware apocalypse. So there you have it. Cleaning your fridge without emptying it is not only possible, it's actually fun in a slightly obsessive, very satisfying way. Your shelves are shiny, your condiments are safe, and you've leveled up your adulting skills. If you love this chaotic, hilarious, and surprisingly effective method, hit that subscribe button right now because we've gotten even more life hacks that feel impossible until you actually do them.